Hello Keystone Investors, welcome to another episode on the channel. Today, we're going to unravel a topic that's crucial for everyone in the crypto space, especially for those who are just beginning their journey, crypto scams. Now imagine you're exploring a new city. It's exciting, filled with opportunities, but also it has its share of risks. The world of digital currencies is quite similar. It's a vast landscape of possibilities, but just like any new city, it has its darker alleys. These are traps set by fraudsters to trick unsuspecting individuals, often leading to substantial financial losses. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this landscape safely. Think of this video as your personal guidebook, a tool to help you identify the landmarks of legitimate opportunities and steer clear of the pitfalls. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, not only you'll be more confident in identifying and avoiding potential scams, but you'll also be part of our Keystone Investors community. In the world of cryptocurrencies, knowledge isn't just power, it's your best defense. Stay tuned till the end and let's become scam-proof together. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve deeper into understanding what cryptocurrency scams actually are. In simple terms, these are fraudulent schemes designed to trick people into parting with their money or cryptocurrencies. They often involve deceptive practices that lures individuals into making investments with the promise of high returns. One common type of scam is phishing. Picture this. You receive an email that looks like it's from a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, asking you to click on a link to update your account details. But here's the catch. It's not from the exchange. It's from a scammer trying to steal your login details to access your account and your cryptocurrencies. That's phishing, a scammer posing as a trustworthy entity to steal your information. Next, we have fake initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs are like crowdfunding for new cryptocurrencies. But in a fake ICO, scammers create a flashy website and a convincing sales pitch for a non-existent cryptocurrency. They convince people to buy this new coin, often promising huge returns, and then disappear with the money. And then there's the infamous Ponzi scheme, a classic scam model that's found its way into the crypto world. In a Ponzi scheme, returns are provided to early investors from the funds contributed by later investors, rather than from genuine profits. It's like a house of cards. It works until there aren't enough new investors, and then it collapses. These are just a few examples. The world of cryptocurrency scams is unfortunately diverse and constantly evolving. But don't worry, with the right knowledge, you can spot these scams and steer clear of them. So let's move on to learn about the potential red flags to watch out for. So now that we understand what cryptocurrency scams are and the different forms they can take, let's talk about how to spot them. It's like learning to identify a dangerous plant in the forest. Once you know what to look for, you can avoid it. One major red flag is the promise of high returns with little to no risk. In the world of investments, higher returns usually come with higher risks. So if someone promises you a guaranteed high return on a cryptocurrency investment, be wary. It's likely too good to be true. Another warning sign is pressure to act quickly. Scammers often create a sense of urgency, claiming that you'll miss out on a great opportunity if you don't invest right away. Remember, genuine investments are not fleeting opportunities that require you to make hasty decisions. Also watch out for unregistered sellers. In many countries, companies that sell investments must be registered with the regulatory authorities. If a company or an individual is not registered, that's a big red flag. So how do you verify the legitimacy of a cryptocurrency or a platform? Start by doing your homework. Research the company or individual offering the investment. Are they registered with the relevant authorities? Do they have a legitimate physical address and a reputable team? Check out reviews and feedback from other users. Be cautious, as online reviews can be manipulated. Look for reviews on well-known and respected platforms. Also understand the business model. How does the company make money? If it's not clear how they generate profits, that's a warning sign. Remember, in the crypto world, being informed and vigilant is your best defense against scams. So let's move on to learn about how to avoid these scams and protect your investments. Now that we've learned how to spot red flags of cryptocurrency scams, let's discuss how to avoid them. It's like learning to navigate a minefield. Once you know the safe path, you can walk through confidently. First and foremost, do your research. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without checking its history, don't invest in a cryptocurrency without understanding it. Research the coin, the technology behind it, and the team that developed it. A legitimate cryptocurrency will have a transparent and understandable business model. Next, use secure and reputable platforms for your transactions. Look for platforms that have strong security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. Check whether the platform is registered and regulated by financial authorities. Be skeptical of promises that seem too good to be true. As we discussed earlier, high returns usually come with high risks. If someone promises you a guaranteed profit, it's likely a scam. Remember, there is no such thing as a free lunch, especially in the world of investment. Lastly, keep your private key secure. Your private key is like the key to your safe deposit box. If someone else gets it, they can access your cryptocurrencies. Never share your private key with anyone and store it in a secure place. Avoiding cryptocurrency scams is all about being informed, vigilant, and skeptical. It's about knowing the safe path through the minefield. So let's move on to discuss what to do if you've been scammed. It's unfortunate, but it's important to know the steps to take. Despite our best efforts, sometimes we might find ourselves caught in a scam. It's a tough situation to be in, but it's important to know that there are steps you can take to mitigate the damage and prevent others from falling into the same trap. First, don't panic. It's a stressful situation, but clear thinking is crucial for the steps ahead. Secondly, if you've fallen victim to a scam, report it immediately to your local law enforcement agency. While it might be challenging to track down these scammers, especially in the anonymous world of cryptocurrencies, reporting the scam can help authorities understand the method used by the scammers and potentially prevent others from being scammed. Next, report the scam to the financial institution or payment method you used for the transaction. If you used a credit card or bank transfer, contact your bank right away. They might be able to help you recover the funds or prevent further transactions. Also, alert the cryptocurrency platform or exchange if you used one. They may be able to track the movement of the stolen cryptocurrencies and possibly freeze the scammer's account. Share your experience with the crypto community. While it might be difficult to talk about, your story can help others avoid the same scam. There are numerous online forums and social media groups where you can share your experience. Remember, falling victim to a scam is not a reflection of your intelligence or abilities. Scammers are cunning and constantly evolving their methods. The important thing is to learn from the experience, take steps to protect yourself in the future, and help others do the same. As we come to the end of our journey today, let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We've explored the world of cryptocurrency scams, understanding what they are and the different forms they can take, from phishing and fake ICOs to Ponzi schemes. We've learned how to spot these scams, looking out for red flags like promise of high returns, pressure to act quickly, and unregistered sellers. We've discussed how to avoid these scams, emphasizing the importance of doing thorough research, using secure platforms, being skeptical of too good to be true promises, and keeping your private keys secure. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, and so are the scams. That's why it's crucial to stay informed and vigilant. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep safeguarding your investments. And that is the end of today's video. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. You're part of our community, and together, we can become scam-proof. We hope this guide has empowered you to navigate the crypto landscape with confidence and caution. Stay tuned for more insights and guides. Stay safe and informed, and I'll see you in the next one.